Nice trout. Nice rainbow. Oh, on the lure from Coley's. First fish. Woo! Thought I'd try in town today, and it's paid off. Nice rainbow trout. Nice. Look at that. I'll get a photo of him on the new lure from Coley's. Legend Coley. Get back to you guys. Today, so I'll put him back in the water. Try and get a release on him. Wasn't even trying for trout today. Just happened to pinch one. That's pretty good. Come on, buddy. There he goes, guys. Yoo! On the board. Oh, awesome. Wasn't expecting much today, but catching a trout where I did just then, awesome. I've only caught one other trout along here, so I guess they've washed through. They won't last long along here though, because the Murray cod, they're gonna munch them out. By the time they get down to the other end of town, they'll be cod food. But yeah, good to get them on here. Good to get on here, and good to knock one off on the new lure straight away. Awesome. I just stood back and looked at this spot and I thought, there's got to be a trout in it. And then bang, should have been recorded. I didn't do an intro because I didn't think there was going to be much action today. They might be in all these little spots. Good to know. He smacked me straight out of the current there. It was awesome. I released him, so he's in there recovering. Probably won't get another hit out of there, but you never know. A few of the trout have washed over from Fish River. They don't stick around here because once it hits summer, it's really hot and the river's a bit shallow in some spots, so they don't go much on it. They either move downstream or get killed, so good to pinch one while they're in here at the moment. See if I can get a couple more. Get back to you guys. On guys, I think it's a redfin. Yeah, ready. Nice. Second fish. On the lure from Kayaks to Fish again. Awesome. Trout and redfin like these lures, good to know. Oh, good treble. There we go. Get him, guys. Not bad. Oh. He's got his juice all over me, the little prick. Oh. The only thing about them things in summer, they leak all over you. All over your pants, and it actual stains your pants. It's crazy. See if there's any more. That's what I was expecting to catch today. Oh, look at that, guys. Snake. He's cruising across the water. Pretty sure he's a tiger snake. Holy shit, little baby one. Got to be careful of that, guys. I don't know if the camera picked it up. It's just over there. He's only small. He looked like a little tiger. There's my first snake I've seen today. I was thinking I haven't seen any snakes today. I reckon that next little bit will be good too. Couple more casts in here. Got sand in my reel again. I got it all out, cleaned it out and that. And come out once and it happens. Alright, get back to you guys. So many huge carp out here. I swear I saw like a metre carp. Here's like a good 70 centimetre one swimming up the river. Just trying to hook one on a lure. I've done it a couple times, but haven't been able to land it. It'd be awesome if I could land one. I forgot to bring bait today. Silly me. The one day when I could be pulling in 70 plus carp over and over again, I didn't bring bait. Awesome though. Might come back right here to this spot in the next couple of days, maybe after the weekend. Have a crack, see if I can get some carp. Don't mind a good old carp fight, they're fun. They fight hard. Oh, ready? Just had a ready follow. Hit me just as I come out them weeds there. It's carp and ready in there. I guess they're both European fish. It's trout too. It's crazy. The trout wouldn't like the carp too much here though. So many carp out there swimming, guys. It's crazy. I'm watching about 20 of them just over there in that corner. There's like a white one. I swear it's a koi carp because it's white, and then all the other ones are like darker. Looks like a koi carp for sure. An orange one, orangey whitish one. Wish I was on that side of the river because I'd be able to hook them up. I did have one hit me on this little lure. I got snagged and tied this one on, and one actually hit me. But yeah, I just looked through my bag and I don't got no corn on me or nothing, so spewing. Just having a cast out here, hopefully get a redfin, maybe hook one of these. There's just that many of them. It's not funny. Definitely know where I'm coming to carp fish. You'll be getting them left, right and centre here. Nice trout and a redfin. Saw them, oh, so that was good. Thinking about coming back out here. I've done some good carp fishing for a while.